Welcome back, everyone. I was scrolling through a few mobile gaming discussions earlier and came across a claim that caught my attention. According to several posts, there's supposedly a way to get extra diamonds and coins in Merge Cooking without using a computer, installing modified apps, or making any changes to your phone. I had no idea whether there was any truth to it, so I decided to try it myself and record the entire process. That way, you can see exactly what I did and judge the results for yourself. All right, enough talking. Let's get started. Before I could do anything else, I needed to grab my player ID from inside Merge Cooking. I launched the game, opened my profile, and located the ID connected to my account. Once I found it, I copied it to my clipboard so I wouldn't have to switch back into the game later. It was a quick step that only took a moment, and then I was ready to continue with the test. With my player ID copied, I switched over to Chrome and visited the website I'd seen mentioned in several gaming discussions. After the page loaded, I searched for Merge Cooking and opened the section for the game. Everything was laid out in a simple way, so it was easy to find the next step. From there, I continued through the process to see what would happen. Once I was on the page, there was a short form to fill. I picked my platform, iOS or Android, I'm on Android, and pasted in that player ID I saved. I double-checked it, hit connect, and it linked up with my account in just a few seconds. I'll be honest, I was a bit skeptical, but the page seemed to be using secure connections, so I rolled with it. Once it connected, it showed me different amounts of resources I could add. I picked the one that felt right for my account and pressed the generate button. From there, I just let the system do its thing in the background. Apparently, it routes through different servers and all that technical stuff. Right before the resources were supposed to land, there was a quick verification pop-up. They said it's there to stop bots from abusing the system, which honestly makes sense. It was simple. Just needed me to grab a free app from the official store and complete a tiny task inside it. They even had a short guide if you get confused. Took maybe 5 minutes. A little extra work, but nothing painful. This was the moment I'd been waiting for. Once I'd gone through the entire process, I launched Merge Cooking again and checked my account to see if anything had actually changed. At that point, the test was over, and I'd seen everything I wanted to see. Now you've watched the same process from beginning to end, so you can decide for yourself what you think about it. If you've ever tried a method like this or come across similar claims online, I'd love to hear about your experience. Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more mobile game tests and reviews, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.